Hello, this video showing how to pair the smoke alarm with the main panel. So, okay, the fire alarm is ready. We already put the battery, then it's ready for pairing. Okay, then here from the menu, we go for parts, then we select detector, then we need to add the detector. Okay, so we need to choose which type of system detector. Fire alarm. Then we need to set the type of the activation of the detector. So we can, for fire alarm, we need to choose 24-hour active. This one, 24-hour active. Then once it starts counting down, I need to press, showing learning.
System disarmed.
Okay, now it's already
System disarmed.
lamps. That's it.